Beans in a pressure cooker. Dr. John A. Allocca. December 12, 24. www.allocca.com. Endorsed by Chef Pucci. See recipe in the comment section. Benefits of soaking beans. They might be easier to digest. Soaking beans in water for 8 hours or more may help to remove some of the anti-nutrients, like phytates, and indigestible sugars that naturally occur in beans. This may help them to digest better and reduce gas and bloating later. The beans will cook faster. A brief moment of prep work the night before can shave off 2/3 of the cooking time. Pre-soaked beans tend to hold their shape better. Soaked beans don't burst as much during the cooking process. Recipe: 1 pound, 2½ cups organic dry navy beans. 2½ cups filtered water for cooking. 1/4 cup plus 1/4 cup organic extra virgin olive oil. Place beans in a container and add 2 to 3 inches of filtered water above the beans. Place the container in the refrigerator to soak overnight, 8 to 12 hours. Remove the container with the beans and drain the soaking water, then rinse the beans well. Pour the drained beans into the Instant Pot with water and 1/4 cup olive oil. Cook at high pressure for 15 minutes, then let the pressure release naturally. If it doesn't release naturally after 30 minutes, perform a quick release. After the beans are cooked, place them into a container and add 1/4 cup olive oil, black pepper, and oregano to taste. Add a little cayenne pepper if you want it spicy. 1 pound dry navy beans equals 2½ cups, which will make 7½ cups cooked beans. 100 grams navy beans equals 15 grams carbohydrate, 7 grams protein, and 78 calories. Chef Pucci and Dr. John wish you health and happiness. Buon appetito! Visit www.allocca.com for more recipes and information on the Andromeda Connection, a journey to physical and mental wellness.